What's going on, guys? And today we're gonna be looking at how to clean all this crust from your headlights.
Particular one, 2007 E70 X5. It's really bad. It has all those cracks all over the place. In perfect case scenario, you have to replace the lenses, but I still gonna try to refurbish them. We're gonna be using something like that, the kit for restoring the headlights. So we're gonna need the spray bottle, microfiber towel. Also gonna be using the polishing machine. For a particular car, it has really big lenses on it, so it's going to be kind of ideal to work with the polishing machine, but you still can use the regular drill. Basically, that's the pretty small setup. Sit tight, let's start it.
So first you wanted to do, just get yourself a comfortable chair.
So first what you wanted to do, clean the surface as good as possible. Also the panels, which might contain some dirt in there. The second step, we're gonna insulate the plastic all over the body, because we'll be working with the sandpaper. Open it up the kit and check it out what we got inside. Polishing pad, some sandpaper, light restoration and headlight, polishing buffing and wiping, pair of gloves, and an actual disc for a regular drill. And of course, we got our instructions. So it's pretty easy to deal with that stuff. I'm not gonna need that. We have 4 types of sandpaper. I believe 800, one more of 800, 1500, and 3000. So always doing the wet sanding. I'm spraying it all over the place, spraying a little bit on the pad, and start grinding.
From that step you have to be pretty steady and hold your drill with the 2 hands, make a smooth moves, everything gonna be just fine.
More liquid means all the residue which is coming from the plastic gonna drip down and not gonna stay on a disc. Because the surface is not flat, you actually have to use the small sand block like this one, or just a bit bigger one, doesn't matter. As far as you can cover every single spot. Because of the disc surface is pretty flat here and headlight is pretty round, we have to deal with that. I'm working with the small areas, front and then the side. Go with pretty consistent motion, left to right or right to left.
From time to time, basically make a pause, wipe up the area and double check for the results. In my case, I have some of the spots is under grind, some of them over grind. If you overdid it, it's not a big deal, just we're gonna use the smaller grip and gonna fix that issue later on.
You don't have to push it, the actual drill anyhow, just really light touches. Be pretty precise with that.
Now I'm using a sand block and basically manually fixing the edges or imperfections on a lens.
So now we're going through the same procedure with smaller disc, which is gonna be 1500. As far as you go into the smaller grip, it's not gonna be that big of a deal if you're gonna touch the edge of the fender or bumper. You're still gonna be able to polish it. So I still need to work more with that area. Got our pad, up the compound. We're gonna put couple dots on the pad and then.
So the big disadvantage is the small disc, which I don't like it, because you're making a lot of mess. You have to use a lot of compound, basically spread all this stuff in there. But anyway, it kind of worked just well.
I already see I have to do a couple more runs. Let's try to do the pin pad. Like alcohol in there. So apparently it looks much better. The closer look, we still see all those imperfections in there. Say we did kind of success for 50-60%. I'll try to use my polishing machine. We'll fix it up with the regular the paint polish. So we'll see how it's gonna come up. So this is going to be the dual action machine, and I'm gonna be using the ultimate polishing, because basically the surface is already rounded up with the previous one. So I'm gonna add just a little bit. We'll try to not be that messy as we were the previous time.
It definitely would be a great idea to use the machine from the start, but apparently the smaller disc would make a big difference whenever you sanding, a bigger disc would make a big difference whenever you polishing. Polishing was really successful with the dual action machine compared to the drill. From the start we were using the kit. I was planning to show you how to deal with that, and basically with really nasty headlights.
Looking on it, it's not a big of a difference, but it's definitely much better. The left side, the passenger side, is like completely dimmed. This one looks just pretty much like brand new. By spending a little bit of time, I think it worth it. There you have it. Basically, you got pretty good results in there. I guess you can stay a little bit longer with that and work with the smaller grip sandpaper a little longer. As long as you're gonna remove more than I did, you spend more time with that, it's just gonna be a bit better. Because I still see some of the lines, like you have to go deeper inside of the lines to like smooth it up everything, which is going to be better, but it will take much more time. If you like the video, guys, please put the thumbs up button there, subscribe my channel, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next one.